Listen to the words, repeat the words, and tell me 3 sounds or 4 sounds. 1, 2, 3 sounds or 1, 2, 3, 4 sounds. Okay. First one, rim, rim, rim. Is that 3 sounds or 4 sounds? Repeat, rim. 3 or 4? 3. Rim, rim. Okay, now listen. Trim, trim, trim. 3 sounds or 4 sounds? Trim. Yeah, trim, im. That's 4 sounds. Im. 4 sounds. Trim. Next one. Rib, rib, rib. Which one? 3 or 4 sounds? Rib. Rib, rib. It's 3 sounds. Now listen again. Different word. Crib, crib. Which one? 3 sounds or 4 sounds? Crib. Repeat, crib. Yes, 4 sounds. That's 2. Ib. Crib, crib. It's 4 sounds. No, another one. Frog, frog, frog. 3 sounds or 4 sounds? Frog. Frog, frog. Frog has 4 sounds. Now listen. Fog, fog. 3 or 4? Fog. 3 sounds. Fog, fog. All right. Rash, rash. I have a rash on my skin. Rash. 3 sounds or 4 sounds? Rash. Rash is 3 sounds. Now a new one. Trash. 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 3 or 4? Trash. 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 It's 4 sounds. Okay. Rum. 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 Repeat it. 3 sounds or 4 sounds? Rum. Rum. 3 sounds. Now listen. Drum. Drum. 3 or 4? Drum. Dur. Now tell me, what sounds? What are the first 2 sounds you hear? Okay? You point. Point. Show me. Friend. Friend. What are the letters? Friend. Point. Friend. Tree. Tree. Which ones? What are the sounds in tree? Tree. Okay. Brr. Break time. Break time. It's break time. Repeat it. Break time. Which ones? Brr. Break time. Free. It's free. No money. Free. 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 Graph. Graph. In class, we make a graph. Which one? Graph. Graph. Okay? Pray. Pray. I pray to God. Pray. Pray. Let's see. Brush. Brush. Brush my hair. Brush. Her. Drive. 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 Crash. Crash. Show me which ones. Which is it? This one? Crash. Crash. It's this one. Crash. Crash. All right, finished.